You need the power to get the job done, but the power cord keeps you tied down. DeWalt changes the game with Flexvolt. Now you have the power of corded and the freedom of cordless. We're talking the most advanced cordless system we've ever designed. Flexvolt is the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. In 18V XR tools, the 15-cell battery delivers more runtime than a compact 18V XR battery. Slide the Flexvolt battery into the new line of 54V XR brushless tools. The battery automatically switches to series, delivering 54 volts of cordless tool performance. Double up 2 Flexvolt batteries for 2 times 54V XR power. That's enough to power a 12-inch sliding miter saw. It's the completely cordless, completely flexible job site. It's the freedom to get right to work without the hassle of extension cords. And your Flexvolt battery is compatible with your existing 18V XR tools and chargers, part of our fastest growing cordless system. So when you need the power to get the job done right, don't reach for a corded tool. DeWalt Flexvolt gives you the power to cut the cord and power up your job site. Flexvolt. Power of corded, freedom of cordless. Built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.